Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hope that you all will be in the best state of health and iman. Today we are going to start our second lecture for computer grade 2. So students, open your book with me. In previous lecture we performed its reading. Now today we are going to solve its exercise. So first question is fill in the blanks. A computer is an blank device. So students, what did we learn in our previous lecture? What is a computer? Computer is an electronic device. Here we have to write electronic. Number 2, PC stands for personal computer. A collection of raw facts and figures given to the computer for processing is known as data. Data after processing is called information. The physical parts of the computer which we can see and touch are called hardware. Now, the section B is about tick in the relevant box. Number 1 is keyboard is the most commonly used output device. Is it true or false? No, it is false, so we have to take in its box. Devices through which data is entered into the computer are called input devices. Yes, this is true, so we have to take in this box which is in true column. Number 3 is a monitor is an output device. Yes, a monitor is an output device, so we have to take here. A scanner is an output device. No, a scanner is also an input device, so here we have to take in the false box. A computer is an electronic device. Yes, a computer is an electronic device, so here we have to take in this true column. Now here is an activity. Cross the things which are not input or output devices. कंप्यूटर का जो पार्ट नहीं है हमने उन चीज़ों को क्रॉस करना है. Mouse, it is a computer device, so we will not cross here. Joystick, it is also a computer device. Printer, it is also a computer device. Jet plane, no, it is not computer device, so here we have to cross. Now the next is a mechanical tool which is known as wrench, so it is not a computer device, we have to cross here. Monitor or LCD, it is a computer device, so we will not cross here. Speakers are also computer device. Bicycle is not a computer device, so here we have to cross in this box. Now the section C is about answer the following questions. Number 1 is what is a computer? So we have read what is computer. A computer is an electronic device which changes data into useful information. We have to write complete answer like this. Question number 2 is define output devices. Devices through which we get output from the computer are called output devices. For example, monitor and printer. Number 3 is define input devices. So its answer is devices through which data is entered into computer are called input devices. For example, mouse and keyboard. Number 4 is what is data? A collection of raw facts and figures given to the computer for processing is known as data. Number 5 is define information. Processed form of data is called information. Now here is a section D in which we have to tick the correct option. A computer is an electronic device. We have to take option A. PC stands for personal computer. We have to take option B. Basically information is meaningful data, so we have to take option A. Printer is commonly used for output, so here we have to take option B. A keyboard is an input device, so here we have to take option D. Now the section is about label the following picture. Here is the computer system and we have to label its different parts. For example, this one is known as CPU. We have to write CPU in this blank. This one is known as LCD, so we have to write LCD in this blank. This one is scanner, so we have to write scanner in this blank. This one is mouse, so we have to write mouse here. This is keyboard, so we have to write keyboard here. And the last picture is of speakers, so we have to write speakers here. Now the final section is about matching the columns. Match the name with the relevant picture. Number 1 is LCD. We have to match LCD with its relevant picture. So we will match LCD to its relevant picture like this. Number 2 is keyboard. We have to match keyboard to its relevant picture. Number 3 is mouse. We have to match mouse to here. And the last picture is about computer. So here is the computer and we have to match it like this. It was all about today's working. Allah Hafiz. Fi Manillah.